So I'm going to start with my plus sign. So one line here and one line on right hand side. So this line I'm going to do double. So I'm going to use ruler for this one. So I use the ruler and I did these two lines. Now you can see this length and this length they are almost same. So now from here I can turn this one like alphabet J or candy cane. When I will reach on the top, I will turn this one like alphabet U upside down, and then I'm going to draw one line over here. From here to here, this line is a little bit long for me, so I'm going to make it a little bit small. Now I will pick a point over here. From here, I will go all the way here, and I will do kind of like a big C. And from here, I'm going up this way. It will come here, and from here I'm going to draw a big arch here, and from here I will go one small arch, and from here I will do one big one again, and then side one, and maybe I will do one big one here, and from here to here one this way. So wherever I cross this one, I will go and erase this one. So this is the line and these are the lines, so just little bit of space, and then I will do one eye over here, and I will leave little bit of space, and then I will do another eye, and between these two I'm going to draw one cute mouth here. Now on the top over here I will think this is kind of like alphabet T, so I have to think this much this side, same thing I will do this side. If I want a little bit more bigger, then this will be bigger, and if you want to make an arch, so arch can be this way and this way. So for that I'm going to take this line and I will pull it a little bit up here. So as much as big umbrella you want, you can take a point from here, and if you want this much, you can make a point here. Same thing I'm going to do here, and see do you like it or not. It's totally up to you how high you want. And then I will erase all extra lines. From here to here I pick one point this side and one point this side, and I will do arch here. Now from here between these two I will take again one dot here, and same thing I will do here. So one arch here, one tiny one is here, one arch tiny one is here. I will do alphabet V upside down over here, and from here to this point, from this point to this point. Now it's time to draw the hand. So he's holding the umbrella or she's holding the umbrella. So from here I will do kind of like an alphabet U or C. C is better. So the top one I will turn and I will go around like this. Let's erase everything from inside. And this line is going all the way up here. Now if you want to draw some fingers over here. So other hand we can draw like again alphabet U and one and second one. So let's erase and fix that. It's time to draw some drop shapes. So like one long one, So I trace the whole thing with the pen. You can use Sharpie or you can use pencil. Now I am coloring this one with the normal pencil. Now these ones I will create little bit more darker dots with the pen.